Hey guys, welcome back to another one. And this is another update video on the crypto wallet test. If I were to take all of my money and just dump it into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in particular, what would happen? So far, I am questioning why I have not done this in real life, and let's look at the numbers and find out why. So just a quick recap if this is your first time watching. Just a quick breakdown. So I first look at my paycheck and I get approximately $2,200 every 2 weeks. So I break it down from the 1st through the 14th of the month, and then the 15th through 30th of the month, and I'll take $2,200. And I always put a little bit away for savings. So in my Roth 401k, the brokerage account for other, day trading and trading regular stocks, and then a small emergency fund. And if you don't have an emergency fund, please start an emergency fund right here, right now. And then the rest, I'll just transfer over to crypto. And that has been the experiment to see what has happened or what will happen in the future. And let's check it out. A couple other things to look at is the start price. So the first of the month, or the first day of the cycle, and then the expenses. I always have to pay $450 for my mortgage bi-weekly, so that's $900 total for the month. Insurance costs, $300 for each section, so that's $600 total for the month. And then the part that kind of ebbs and flows depending on how much I do swipe that credit card are my bills, which I actually pay all of my bills, whether it's water, utilities, internet, all of that is paid with my credit card. That's why it says CC next to it. And then the rest is, whenever I go out for groceries, go to a restaurant, other type of entertainment, I actually swipe my credit card as well. So the way I have things set up is I will pay for everything at the very end of the month. And that's just the way I have my bills structured. So that is why everything looks like it's shifted over to this column right here, and nothing is in this first half of the month. And it's just because of the due dates of my credit cards. And from there, we'll get the total that was spent for that period, and then whether it was a surplus or a deficient. And it looks like we'll scroll over to this sector, the 15th through 31st of August, and it looks like I was a little bit in the red, but we'll walk through each one of those numbers. So once again, here, let me update this, drag these guys over. This remains the same, $200, $200, and $100. And then transfer to crypto still remains about $1,700. At the very beginning of the cycle, or the end of the last cycle, Bitcoin was about $46,339 is what I clocked in at. And then after looking at my mortgage, $450, like I said, the insurance, $300, and the bills combined for the entire month is $596. And then the other credit card bills that I have to pay are $449 is the total, which made my grand total for this portion of the month $1,795, or $95 in the red. But overall, still able to pocket a little bit of money. Guys, we aren't going out as much, not gonna lie, just because of the COVID Delta variant and all that stuff. So we are saving a little bit of money just by being able to stay home, watch movies at home, watch TV shows at home, and things like that. And that gives the total for US dollars. It would be, and this is if we didn't convert anything over to crypto, we would have, $1,696 that is something that is available just kind of sitting and chilling in the bank account until I go out and buy a PS5 or something crazy like that. And that is that hypothetical situation. The other hypothetical situation, which this is looking at, is when we switch everything over to BTC, the end price is $48,604. So not that much higher than the last period. It's only 4.89% higher. But because of that, I still did, make a little bit more money. And if we look at that, my surplus now, if I just transferred everything over to Bitcoin and it was just chilling in my bank account, instead of having $1,696, I would in turn have $2,236. So overall, that's a split of $540, and this split between just cash that sits in my account, which it actually does right now, and then cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in this instance, that just is chilling in my account, is $541. And this split has continued to grow each and every month and a little section of the month as well. So I am actually very interested to see what will continue to happen in the future. And I'm also very interested to see what this would look like if this was an Ethereum or if this was a Cardano, how that dynamic would play out. But this is it so far. So I kind of want to move everything over to Bitcoin. I would be up 31% just by doing absolutely nothing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next one.